Hey guys, welcome back to HVAC official channel. Today I am giving you the most updated split AC price guide for Pakistan. Updated June 2026 prices. All brands, all sizes. If you are planning to buy a split AC this summer, watch this video first. Let's go. 1-ton split AC prices. Guys, 1-ton AC is perfect for small rooms up to 150 square feet. Here are the updated prices. Budget brands, Gree Dawlance, PEL, EcoStar. Price range, Rs 120,000 to Rs 160,000. Mid-range brands, Gree, Orient, TCL, Kenwood. Price range, Rs 150,000 to Rs 200,000. Premium brands, Mitsubishi, LG, Panasonic. Price range, Rs 200,000 and above. Always buy inverter technology, guys. Non-inverter 1-ton is cheaper up front, but will cost you much more in electricity every month. 1.5-ton split AC prices. 1.5-ton AC is the most popular size in Pakistan. Perfect for medium rooms, 150 to 250 square feet. Budget brands, Gree Dawlance, EcoStar. Price range, Rs 150,000 to Rs 200,000. Mid-range brands, Gree, Orient, Kenwood, TCL. Price range, Rs 200,000 to Rs 260,000. Premium brands, LG, Mitsubishi, Panasonic. Price range, Rs 280,000 and above. Guys, the average AC price in Pakistan is around Rs 225,500 as of 2026. 1.5-ton inverter is the best value for most Pakistani homes. 2-ton split AC prices. 2-ton AC is for large rooms, 250 square feet and above. Budget brands, Gree Dawlance, PEL. Price range, Rs 200,000 to Rs 270,000. Mid-range brands, Gree, Orient, Kenwood. Price range, Rs 260,000 to Rs 350,000. Premium brands, LG, Mitsubishi. Price range, Rs 350,000 and above. Brand by brand comparison. Let me quickly compare popular brands, guys. Gree, most popular brand in Pakistan. Good quality, wide service network, affordable price. 1-ton starts from Rs 120,000. 1.5-ton starts from Rs 150,000. Gree, premium quality, excellent cooling, very energy efficient. Slightly higher price, but worth it. 1-ton starts from Rs 150,000. 1.5-ton starts from Rs 200,000. Dawlance, Pakistani brand, affordable budget buyers. Wide availability across Pakistan. 1-ton starts from Rs 120,000. 1.5-ton starts from Rs 150,000. Kenwood, good quality, stylish design, reliable performance. 1-ton starts from Rs 140,000. 1.5-ton starts from Rs 180,000. Orient, budget-friendly, decent quality, good for smaller budgets. 1-ton starts from Rs 130,000. 1.5-ton starts from Rs 160,000. TCL, modern features, good energy efficiency, competitive price. 1-ton starts from Rs 130,000. 1.5-ton starts from Rs 165,000. Inverter versus non-inverter price difference. Guys, this is very important to understand before buying. Non-inverter AC, cheaper up front, Rs 20,000 to Rs 40,000 less, but uses 40 to 60% more electricity every month. Inverter AC, higher upfront cost, but saves huge amount on electricity bill every month. In Pakistan, where electricity is very expensive, inverter AC pays for itself within 1 to 2 years. After that, pure savings every month. Always buy inverter, guys. It is the smarter choice. Installation cost. Guys, remember, ACPrice is not the only cost. You also need to pay for installation. Standard split AC installation cost in Pakistan, rupees 8,000 to rupees 15,000 depending on your city. This includes copper pipe fitting, electrical wiring, and gas charging. Always hire a qualified HVAC technician for installation. Wrong installation can damage your compressor and void your warranty. Tips before buying AC in Pakistan. Tip 1. Always buy from authorized dealer. Fake and gray market ACs have no warranty. Tip 2. Check Energy Star rating. Higher star rating means lower electricity bill. Tip 3. Correct tonnage for your room. Wrong size wastes electricity. Tip 4. Check warranty period. Good brands offer 1-year product warranty and 5 to 10-year compressor warranty. Tip 5. Always install voltage stabilizer. Voltage fluctuation is very common in Pakistan. A stabilizer protects your AC compressor. Guys, now you have the complete updated split AC price guide for Pakistan 2026. 1 ton, rupees 120,000 to rupees 200,000. 1.5 ton, rupees 150,000 to rupees 280,000. 2 ton, rupees 200,000 to rupees 350,000 and above. Always buy inverter technology. Always buy from authorized dealer. And always hire qualified technician for installation. If this video helped you, please like and share. Share with everyone planning to buy AC this summer. Subscribe to HVAC official channel.